Welcome to the Limpopo Online TV. Ndiduka nisuhana ndingwana ndo mahunguni. Basudiwa is the Limpopo Online TV and the Van Rap Radio. Rizwita ngorari kuba tisira bangwa ba imbi baba bane bafunesa ovane pa hayani. Tiri nende chendo radi hapa na musi atinga doba introducer masuhana. Uri ndi queen bone banoro the introducer. Baba diwe. Yo guys, I think it's best you guys introduce yourself, what you and Diboni and all that, you know. Or if I have to introduce you, I'll end up saying things that I'm not supposed to say.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't know whether I should speak Venda or English. You know what I mean? Okay, never did anything in Tambuzeni agreement. The Vange Fair Bomb. Bangabzul go one Chawero. My stage name is Negotiator. I'm the Black Wings fam. I'm my boy.
Well, yeah, it's I'm from Pretty South, but my stage name is Fochi. I got my niggas here, you know, that, yeah, cool.
Okay. So, let's you know what? I don't really want to say much today. I just want to get straight to the point. So, you guys do music.
Yeah, correct.
You rap or you sing. What do you really do?
Negotiator. I prefer to be a musician.
Okay, it's a musician.
I do a lot of things. I can rap, I can sing. I'm a beat maker, producer. I don't really call myself a producer anyway. It's a sound designer.
Wow.
Because
for me, music generally, as long as anything that has to do with hip hop, I'm always there. Whether I rap or sing, I'm always gonna be there. Trust me.
Wow.
Yeah.
So here it seems like I got people that got multi-talent. Unaweza kuona hizo zino record zone. Uthi mundu asokori ndi mrapper but awunazina kuita zone beside uimba pedzi ni wanisa understand mix nga music zinoza siyazo kunibangela ori ngindodhilila nari ngorobiwa ngoliwa ngori aniko dojenza ka suzwingi. So when did you discover no we are into this music thing, you got the passion and the love of music, this no write a song?
I remember when I was still young, like I started to listen to those, those legends like Jay-Z's and those Nas, those people, those niggas there. So we like again, you know what? I think that's where I belong. I engaged to that environment, and I started doing it. I started practicing to rap until now.
Okay, so you were influenced by with Jay-Z.
Yeah, those. Yeah.
Nas, Tupac, Snoop Dogg, Eminem.
Yeah, when I was still young, by then. Yeah.
So as for me, I think we a bit even. There's something in common.
Yeah.
Because I fell in love with music maybe about 2001, but then to move music seriously 2003. Yeah, 2003, and upon that I'm A4.
Local Flame.
Yeah, the local Nashville, Nabondoza. Yeah, Fair Bomb.
So you've been doing music for some time?
Yeah, for some time. And
quite a long time.
Rachi say you
yeah, because if you're talking about the guys like A4 I know. We river a month, but yeah, I've worked with A4 for years and years and years. And then if you're talking about A4, come music wire and kind of rap, kind of catch vendor rap, zune, tangana na pop and everything in our don't even rap. They've been there in this game for years.
Yeah, he's been there. And the other Nendo to Mana, we lost finger. Richie say, which is Manigayana. But then I never knows, the one is the fan. Yeah, I've been. Anna Crew is most hated before the Nashville.
So let's look at this thing. So you can take this like and this is not in the career for any or in the passion like you're doing it for love, for fun. You guys like it's all about just I'm doing this as part of my life because this is a calling, but then it's not my career.
Honestly, I need to tell you something. I must say that hip hop is something that it's within me, like music in general. So. As for me, like my vision about hip hop, it's like I would take it as a career also, but I also wanna spread the message in such a way and motivate people if I have to. Yeah, so that's what I can say.
For me, it's both the passion, the career. It's both the love.
It's the hustle
and the hustle. It's everything. Actual music is everything for me. Like.
But Ugo Pisa. Amstel is always part of our hard working for years. We've always been part of Amstel, and then Amstel sponsor us from time to time. So that's what we're going to happen when we about Amstel, and Amstel is part of our family. But I don't know about Amstel. I don't know about the vitamin. As the Namapungori music night I want because you write, you rap, you produce, you arrange all those things. You know that's one. music now it does of the way like the music that you create.
Basically, yes.
What kind of music that you really do? Because it seems like it's not just hip hop, but what do you label it? Does it have that label? Is not hip hop. This is not kwaito. This is not house. This is not amapiano. But it's what kind of music
What
that
kind
you really
of
do?
style,
Yeah, your style, general.
Well, for me, cause I go with this thing with the generation. For now, I'm more into trap, but I can also rap, like go underground most of the time. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna put it.
I think we should have a bit of a cipher when we're done.
I think it's answered already.
So
Like
okay, because
back in the days, I was more of an
Hardcore.
underground rapper, hardcore. You know,
Yeah, you know,
so
when
zazvinori
they-
kozamutevere tisiri kunofita inyana because wasara ya mrawangi wasikuva hatu
Okay,
okosara vele so eti
no, I do understand. I do understand
Yeah.
the whole thing. So, this means you want to do like fit in, you want to do what others are doing. But again, do you do it in a way that you want to be like everyone else? And in Chita music, where it's all about, even though if it's trap, even though if it's the same hippie hop, if we're talking about the boom bap and all that, are you trying to do something that is different from everyone, but still fitting in the new generation sound?
yeah exactly
Yeah, that's what that's what
Correct.
I'm actually doing.
Correct.
So
Okay.
it's
No,
more like that.
no, I
That-
do understand. I do get that. And then let's look at like what inspires you to this whole craft that you do, you guys. What inspires?
Okay, regarding your question, in twin inspiring Kore, I know like if when I write, like okay, in general, community, how people live, how people adapt environment, and how do I engage myself in a society. And lori message o ntshang ka gona re lo one o change batho in a positive way, you understand? So ke yone ntho e le gore ya inspire.
yeah answered
Ah, come on. This guy does, you know, it seems like you always
It's
answering what
answered.
he has to.
It's answered. The thing is, here, couple race, we have a lot in common, man.
There's a lot. Cause
Yeah,
There's a lot, 'cause
there's a
it's-
lot in
it's
common.
One team.
Because
it's a big family. It's a big
it's
family.
a big family.
Okay, so let's look at this. As an artist that you've been doing music for a while, you can't go drop as the album, maybe go drop as the mixtape. Do you have anything solid, like something that you guys have dropped a full project? Come back, other album, full mixtapes, or it's the man or drop as the single?
Ione album, dina group, you know, with the Riders. We're
Yeah.
not drop album, you know, this week, 2012. It
2012.
was launched, and yeah, some of them are the radio stations, about October.
October.
Yeah, so your one has Giginji and then as the interview Nyana. Yeah, it took us places, but the number they want to set back because of some challenges. Right?
No, it's happened.
Yeah,
This is
but-
industry, yeah. And you wanted to say
It's not
something.
about-
Ngombe,
it's
So
not
something.
about-
I wanted to say that me personally, they didn't start single by then because I didn't have a proper studio to work on it. So actually, I started meeting the guy last year. So Kimo play now, you know what, 2018 is gonna be one of the best year. We got a lot to work on. So yeah, we're hoping for the best this year.
No, I do understand. I do understand. Let's look at it. In the industry, there's things that people always, achieve. Things that people look at and say, "No, what? No, in the industry, in the Janako music, this is my biggest moment. There's one zone, achieve zone." So you guys, a bit of highlights since you get into the music industry. Some they call it, it's a cutthroat. It's a eat dog industry. We all label it in the different ways.
Yeah.
We're like the achievements that we
Yeah, I
win.
mean, as for me, I think the Joe Riders album was a success, man. Yeah. Ngoriyong one na gig na zenda mangazo already. Hey,
Okay, for me,
I'm not
music-
done answering. you.
Okay, that's fine. You can carry on, guys.
No, this guy, he's running out of his breath. Yeah.
I'm running out of my
Yeah,
breath.
take it easy, my guy. It's not a problem. I said, you still wanted to say something?
The nerves. All right. Yeah. Sazunda Mandar album Joe Riders. It was the biggest moment. You see, this year my Northwest, my Free State, perform and no share stage number 2 fana na bonema. But fana na bonema.
Those
Bo
were the
Pro
days.
Hit, Bo CJ.
Yeah.
But vanji man, bo killer G. Yeah, ile album ila yeah, you happy to Njamanda. Yeah.
Okay. Well, my brother, going back to your question, now music, like it's not only about money, because it's a profession specific on the flip side, on the other hand. So music in tailoring, and because Baba Banani believe like music cannot be career. You understand?
Yeah.
So couldn't message of was saying like about even if you only doing music, it's more like a profession. You can still succeed a lot out of it. You understand? So get about awareness, don't only teach mind and yeah.
Okay. No, I see. So you guys, you have your own record label, or you signed under other people. In the industry, you should have a food where you put your foot. I'm not talking about the big foot like SABC Libu's foot that is very huge, but it got a small head. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? So I'm talking about like, do you have where you have your foot in, like, as in the industry, do you have a record label or you sign under other people?
No, we're not signed. We have our own like bedroom studio. It's not a big label. It's the Black Race Film Productions, whereby I'm the producer.
Yeah.
I'm the
One
beat
thing.
maker.
Let me.
We have DJs there also.
I'm sorry to cut you guys. I'm sorry to cut you in, but it doesn't matter where the music produced. If I have to give example, I'm sorry to say this. Before I actually retire, like I say, I'm done.
Yeah.
I produced some of the most dope songs. Let's say executive produced most of the dope songs. Those songs, I was executive producing them from the bedroom studio. I have created some content out of nothing. People used to laugh at me holding a small camera, which was called Cool Pics.
So you're trying to say it's not about the
It's
equipment.
not about the equipment. It's about what you can do.
Yeah.
I can tell you when people watch this video and you tell them that this video was shot using a cell phone,
It's obvious they wouldn't believe
they won't believe that we're shooting this video through the
you're right.
cell
It's about
phone.
what you're doing.
It's what you can do
Yeah.
out of what you have.
It's all in here.
It's all in your mind of what.
Yeah.
So, no, the professor is, they've done that. So, let me just like a bit. Is Joyrider still there, or Joyrider is gone through the years?
What I can say is we're trying to bring it back.
You trying to bring it back.
Yeah, we're trying
So,
to bring it back. But I won't say much about it for now. Till we finish rebranding everything.
rebranding.
Yeah, because
we'll
we're
still-
busy rebranding for now.
Okay, that's great. That's a good thing. So let's look at the whole thing of your plan from now up until the next 5 years. Like, what do you want to see yourself? Like, what do you want to do in the next 5 years? What's the whole plan?
The plans are huge, man. What I can say is, in 5 years' time, I want the crew, everyone in the crew, to be successful. I want to see the achievements, The goal is to be successful.
Successful.
Yeah,
That's
That's the
success.
whole plan.
That's the whole plan.
I'm liking that thing.
Anytime from now, anytime from now, I would say. It's
not a matter of
even
just-
tomorrow.
Yeah.
It might be.
It's not a matter of just doing music, man.
It's about being successful
It's
in
about
life.
being
And
successful.
that's what we're
changing people's
preaching.
life also,
Yeah.
changing the environment, the society.
That's what we're preaching. Like, not a kambazonori. Artukane, arpushane, artusane, sabatu, baba, rubatu, no. It's like, let's put each other forward and help each other move forward. Ngori, if Razuar Godori, how you vagai, how you tamino, zuragai, we're pulling each other back.
Lingo.
Mara, if we work hand in hand and work with your music.
Bingo.
So, the numbers, what can people expect from you guys? Like, there's people that, like now in this video, they just gotta get to know you guys. Or, there's these guys. Some maybe they already know you, but to the new fans and the new people that wanna get to know you guys, understand what you do, they wanna book you guys. What should they expect? Let's say when they book you or when they listen to your music from now on.
They should expect good music, man.
Dope.
Sure, yeah.
Dope one, yeah. They will never
Dope
regret.
music.
They will
Dope
never
music.
regret at all.
Because uyangani neti ati dibondi na track ya work. By far I have a lot of tracks ati bondi na track ya work. And the track nji zanga tatu zibhizi. Zidova man mara ngachifunga cha right.
Okay.
It's all about timing.
About the love.
You know,
It's all about timing. I don't know what it is.
one thing again is here, né? So you can you on the social media, but before we go to social media, do you have any project on the pipeline?
Yes, I do. And I have an EP coming this year. It'll be managed on DMS
Okay.
Ghetto Culture Music. Yeah, he'll be managing that EP. But then I have my own manager all in all, Black Wave FM. His name is Paul.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Paul. I don't know if I should call him.
No, we'll get to talk to him. You know,
Yeah,
I've
his
seen
name is
already.
Paul.
You know, there's a lot of you here.
Yeah,
so
he's-
definitely we need to speak to you
he's
guys.
managing.
You know, we need to speak to all of you.
Yeah.
Because if we, when they got here late.
Yeah,
So the next part of the interview definitely will have to reset everything, and then we chill with everyone, and then we can talk, and we
Yeah.
still all meet the cipher. Ne?
Yeah.
We meet cipher, and then we drop a couple of lines there.
Ever
and
ready,
then-
ever ready.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So no, I do understand that you got that. So
Yeah. There's a project I released last week. It's on social media. SoundCloud is on SoundCloud, Audio Mac, and those.
But it's not on
other-
our website. You see, you guys, you didn't put it on our website.
It does see.
I was still gonna know.
It does see.
Go to
The
know.
project, if he televised, I'm
Televised.
featuring my younger brother, King Emotion, and Breezy, and there's another track featuring 4G. It's called Bright Side of March.
The
of
4G
Mars.
network.
Yeah, 4G and L-Boy also, like 3 of us on that track.
Okay,
I
I
hope been a
Last
problem.
year.
hope next week when I meet you, it won't be LTE.
4G, no.
Okay, so on social media, where can people find you guys?
Okay, okay. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. But I these two, I hardly get into them. Facebook, I'm always stay active 24/7. You can just search Tepo Rapper Mutsumi.
Okay.
Yeah, then you're gonna get me. Anything that you need that is has to relate with music, I'm there definitely.
Alright, as for me, it's Negotiator JRS everywhere.
Negotiator
Twitter,
JRS.
Facebook, Instagram.
There's this guy, man, from Lesotho.
No, I'm not from Lesotho.
No, I'm trying to. No, when you mentioned the name,
Okay.
I thought it was you because
Okay.
there's this guy with the same name.
Yeah, let me tell you more about myself. Well, I'm not from Lesotho. I was born in Protea South. Then I moved to Northwest.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, where my mom is from. So, Kilika Bona Muka go Northwest. Then I came back here in Joburg. I was studying hustle and music and some other personal stuff. But my dad, he's from Mozambique. So it's like more like crossbreeding combination.
The greatest place. I can go to Mozambique anytime. If I get a chance right now to say you're going to Mozambique, I'll definitely be going there
Yeah.
any time of the day. Okay, and then we have done the social media and everything. So if people want to book you guys, like they want to like, yo guys, we want you on stage, we want you to perform. Where do they get you? How do they get hold of you?
Social media. You can go to the Black
It's one
Wave
of the
Fam.
best platforms.
Black Wave Fam account is the numbers are 076 735
Yeah,
2371.
237.
076 735 2371.
Okay.
Keep in touch.
And then, okay, out of everything we spoke about and all that, let's talk about the music industry itself. There's an issue in our country. If somebody goes big, they don't want to allow other people to get in. Are you guys experiencing such?
Yeah, somehow I think it's possible. Because one thing that I've realized is that ukila bona motho ha setse a 20 step se song sa ya godimo o kwalela ba bang. You understand? So and then ke bona ile hore like people greedy, it's being greedy if you do that. We should unite or we should
Yeah.
uplift
And
each other.
banosiza nazorin na me. Now on. As for us, I mean, I'm from the ghetto, man. I'm from Protea South.
Yeah.
It's very cool in the So obvious, but not sorry, age type, but Matina, it's not about Vakai.
Yeah, it's not about where you from.
Zotes we are panuna.
It's the hustle, the
And
spirit,
the hustle,
it's
you know?
creativity.
Yeah.
Now I do understand that. Okay, this is ngozona ngazi ed. Like out of everything we spoke about, what else in Akodori? Bathu banga bana ba go bona apa ba go thechelesa ba ba bona ba share food.
Okay, let me just talk about music in general. You know how we have music in it. You mustn't forget who you are. Understand?
Yeah.
You should somehow try to imitate other people. You know, we have Lil Wayne, we have Drake. These people, they are different and they run stuff in a different way. You can be trap, but by run in a different way. So you mustn't forget to be yourself. You understand? You should have your own way if you are a rapper or if you're doing whatsoever music. You mustn't forget who you are actually.
Yeah, you mustn't forget who you are, and you mustn't forget people you started with, you know what I mean? Because don't even know when I may post your, post a name. uri vhathu vha no uri vha tshi bva kha crew dzavho vha thoma u bifa crew dzavho and I suppose they ngo raro.
Yeah, that's one thing I've always told everyone. If you leave a crew, guy code, apa shangoni is something of una mulayo, una rule, una code, yabanna.
Brothers
Ne?
code, yeah.
Brothers code is that you don't go and tell that other crew about what happened on that other crew. Rather lie about it, but never badmouth. Because tomorrow, like I told you guys before we started, you can work with me directly or indirectly.
Correct.
You never know.
Correct.
Okay, vatecheresi vanga vabukeli vanga vathu vanenge vana kuvona Limpopo Online TV ndiduka ndisuhana ndi mwana ndi wa mahunguni is the Van Rap Radio. Vanga download the app sokuseja vari Van Rap Radio kana vayakha online vari Limpopo Online TV kana vajene vari Chivenda Music and Entertainment ri all over. Nendo rari vangwana ndiduka ndisuhana ndi mwana ndiri ndi nema 08269 37124 ndi WhatsApp or Facebook but jene vari nema wa mahunguni, Twitter ni nema, Instagram Van Rap Radio _nema. Sa zwino tiri avari timeneri kona ritotangana usikale ndikonzera vamwe vaimbi ndi zvinji zvinakatozvibona pano ka Chivenda Music and Entertainment na Limpopo Online TV nema media.